My name is Cullen, and today we're going to be learning about adding fractions with unlike denominators. So, as you can see right here, it says step 1, list the multiples and find the LCM. You might be wondering, what is the LCM exactly? Well, the LCM means lowest common multiple. Yeah, so let's just follow the steps. And so first, let's list the multiples. So we know 5, 10, 15, 20, and then we have 25. And then for 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yeah. And then, so now we're gonna probably try to look for the 2 matching numbers. Because right here it says, basically we have to change this part right here, which with whatever number we can they have in common. Yeah, so right here we already know we have 15 and 15. So now we can just head on over here. And so first thing you want to do is you want to do the whatever you got to make it 15 on the number right here. Okay, so to get 15, we did 5, 10, 15. So we do 1 times 3, and that is 3. And yeah, and then we do slash 15. And then over here, we basically do the same thing. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And that took us 5 tries, so that's 10 slash 15 out of 15ths. And yeah, and then we want to add it. But a little thing we can do to check it is go like this. So we know that, so it's going to be 15. So we have 15. And then we press this and go like 1, 2, 3. And then, we can drag this over here. Looks like I accidentally colored in a couple of spots. And we can go like that. And since that is matching, that means we got it correct. Ooh. Okay, and then the next thing that we can do is, you see the 2 15ths? We have to go like 15, and then we want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I've been trying to, oh, there we go. 10. Dang it. And then we have to turn off this, and let's just drag this over here. And looks like we got it correct again. Ooh. Okay, now we want to solve and check. So for this part, basically what we want to do is we want to go like, okay, so now we have to plus, which is 10 15ths plus 10 15ths. And that equals 3 15ths, and that equals 13 15ths. Yeah, so there's your answer right here. Yeah, well, I'll see you next time. Bye.